What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. I'm back with another video, and tomorrow I got something real special going on. I'm putting the exhaust on my 2021 Camaro SS. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So as you can see, there's a boiler box and there's a Corsa box. So for those of you who don't know, the Corsa axle back will fit with the boiler mid pipes. The reason I went with the boiler mid pipes is because Corsa does not have a axle back with the AFM valves. So we're gonna see how that goes tomorrow. Should go pretty good. I seen a video on YouTube of a guy doing one on the ZL1, but it's gonna go on the SS. I don't think I've seen anybody do it on the SS, but we're gonna do that and see how it goes. I'm gonna open up these boxes and show you guys what's inside. So inside of the boiler box, it looks like there's a boiler cap, clamps, and some directions, it looks like. I'm gonna check that for stickers. Set that to the side. I think okay. And these are 2.75 inch pipes. Everything is labeled real nice, right and left. And I might have opened this from the wrong side, so I believe this is the bottom. I'm gonna tape it up and open it from the other side. Well, no, this has to be the right side because the hat and everything is on the top. Oh, and there's the, I don't know if y'all can see it. There's the part where the valve goes on the mid pipe on one side, but that's pretty much it. It's just the mid pipe, so it's not much to it. I'm gonna open up the Corsa box and we're gonna see what's inside of that. All right, so this is the inside of the Corsa box. These are some nice looking tips. I guess the mufflers got some clamps and connectors. Well, probably extensions. These over here. This is the actual muffler, or one of them. Ooh, these things are heavy, so I can imagine how much the stock one weighs. But there's the mount for the valve. Well, the valve's already in there. I guess electronics for the valve. But this is pretty much all it is. And yeah, so getting these put on tomorrow, and I'll let you guys, I'll probably make another video of the sound. This is pretty much just an unboxing. But yeah, that's it for today. I just want to keep you guys updated. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.